The analyst called the price of the unannounced iPhone SE2. Analyst Min Chi Kuo continues to share rumors about the budget iPhone SE2. The smartphone, according to its information, will be presented early next year. Previously, the specialist talked about the design of the device, but now he called the starting price $399. This cost will cost a version of 64 GB. In addition to it will be a modification to 128 GB of memory. The smartphone will be presented in 3 colors, red, white and black. The device will receive an A13 chip, as in the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, and 3 GB of RAM, in the current line of iPhone 4 GB of RAM. The SE2 case will be very similar to the iPhone 8. Apple used a similar system for the first generation SE, which borrowed the wrapper from the iPhone 5s, and inside was the hardware from SIXS.